Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download all Reels videos from any Instagram channel. For example, I'll choose a random channel. I click on the Reels tab and copy the username. Then I open the MKT Viral software. Before downloading Reels, you need to log into an Instagram account here. Next, I go to the Video Scan section and select the platform I need. I choose Scan Video by User. I just enter the username here. Then I choose the number of videos to scan. For example, I scan 150 videos. Next, I select the account used for scanning. Only one account is enough. Then I click Start. Please wait about 1 minute. The tool will automatically fetch all video information and return the results. Okay, the scanning process is complete. Here you can see the video details: video name, link, number of comments, number of likes, number of views. After getting this list, you can copy the links. Now I'll start downloading the videos. I choose a folder to save the downloaded videos. I create a folder called Instagram Videos. Next, I set the number of download threads. This depends on your internet speed. You can also add filters. For example, filter by views or likes. This helps you download only high engagement videos. Now I click Start. The software will automatically download the videos. I open the Instagram Videos folder again. You can see the videos being added one by one. With this method, you can download unlimited videos. You can bulk download videos from any channel you want and use them as needed. Okay, if you're interested in these automation tools, you can message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you all in the next videos.